OER is proud to present a reproduction of the original Z28 four-spoke sports steering wheel design for use on Camaro Z28 models. The rope-style steering wheel came originally equipped on the 1977 to 81 Camaro Z28s and will also fit on many other GM vehicles produced between 1971 and 1981. Each OER Camaro Z28 steering wheel is manufactured to exact specifications and will install on the many different GM vehicle models. This quality reproduction features a rope texture molded in black and the original four-spoke design. OER's Camaro Z28 rope-style steering wheel kit includes a reproduction steering wheel, horn cap retainer, and horn cap mount. Finish off your project right with one of the OER reproduction Camaro Z28 horn cap emblems. Sold separately, OER offers several different horn cap emblems to choose from. OER, setting the standard for quality restoration parts.